So it's time to change boat, guys. Change ang boat. Ayan. Pabalik ako sa ano. Thank you, bye. Oh my God! So one of their activities, I don't know kung ano yung name niyan. Nakalimutan ko na. So, search nyo na lang. Wow. Ayan guys, tapos na yung ano namin, parasailing. Pero kung gusto namin mag-avail pa ng another activities, another water activities, pwede namin sabihin doon. Pero I think it's enough key and everything. So ayan guys, punta kami sa next destination, yung Geran Hill. So after nitong water activities, Geran Hill naman yung pupuntahan namin. Sige guys, update ko kayo. Nag-change na ako ng shoes. So how many hours is Geran Hill from there?
Just estimation 1 hour.
1 hour? Okay.
Geran Hill is 1 hour. Next destination again, just maybe 30, 20
Oh, okay.
from Geran Hill. Oh yeah, maybe you're hungry. You can stop or you go to lunch.
What do you think, guys? You want to eat now? Or up to you?
I'm not
Not hungry?
hungry.
Not hungry.
So maybe, yeah, later.
We don't want to know.
Maybe after Geran Hill.
After
Geran
okay.
Hill, yeah.
This is already near restaurant. Any restaurant?
Ayan guys, grabe. We're here, Geran Hill. So ito yung view guys. Takot.
Be careful, yeah.
Careful. So may pa-drone. Drone shoot camera. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda. Ayan siya guys. Ayun yung ano namin, sasakyan namin. Tapos merong ano dito, parang tower, something to check. I don't know. Green. He will take picture of us. He will take, you know, drone. Yeah, the drone. It's better. Ah, yes. Grabe, ang ganda. Take video.
अरे मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ
Beautiful. So yan, with drone. Oh, it's beautiful. So yan guys, ipapost ko na lang yung ano ko, yung video ko mamaya.
Why not clean this?
Ayan guys, tapos na yung ano ko, yung pag-drone. So yung couple naman na kasama ko. Ayun. Ayun yung drone guys. So ipopost ko na lang siya sa may ano ko, Instagram. And then dito rin, ipopost ko yung video. Basta, ang ganda. So, sa mga nagbabalak pumunta dito sa Jaran Hill, ang ganda ng view. It's perfect for drone shot. Okay, so, ayan guys. Pumunta lang kami dito for drone shot. And then, sa susunod naming spot, I think magla-lunch muna kami. Bago yung susunod na spot, I mean. So, ayan guys, I will keep you updated. I will update you, I mean. Ayan guys, lunch time. Mag-lunch muna kami before the temple. Sige, yun. Kain muna kami guys, and then after temple, update ko kayo. So ito yung lunch ko guys, chicken satay. Satay? Parang Thailand din. Tapos coffee.
Yeah. There's a ticket for the inside, and later in the down, this is by the shuttle go to Tanah Barat. This is different. Tiga asing pak. Tiga asing.
So there's some ticket guys. Kung pupunta kayo sa ano, Pandawa Beach.
This is
saka
in,
Tanah Barat
total is
Beach.
50,000.
Okay, so 25.
50,000 for the 3 people.
3 people.
50,000?
Yeah, for the 3 people.
One per one?
Can
50,000 divided by 3, right?
yeah. 15 maybe.
Yeah,
One person.
16,000. So meron siyang entrance fee dun sa may ano, pagpupunta kayo ng ano, Pandawa Beach tsaka Tanah Barak.
This is Tanah Barat.
Yeah. So meron siyang 16,000 Indonesian rupee.
Later
So,
stop here ya, for the photo ya. For
Yeah.
now go to there ya.
Ito yung Pandawa Beach guys. So yeah, we paid 16,000 plus for the ticket per person. Wow, look at this.
See, this is big.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah,
I can.
in here you can see. Later.
This is Pandawa Beach, right? Pandawa.
See, very nice.
Nice wave. It's good for surfing.
That was
Who knows surfing is they do in high waves also. Yesterday I see their sunset, La Brisa market. Too much high waves and people doing surf.
Beam.
Beam?
Beam.
Oh.
This is Pandawa, one by one ya. In the up this is Yudhishthira, and this is Nakula. Sahadewa. Yeah, this is. What the name is Pandawa? This is because have the 5 statue.
Pandava?
Yeah.
Pandawa.
Later. You can see. I stop it.
Pandava Rugiti?
What is Pandawa in English?
Pandava
Yes,
is a five brothers.
5 brothers.
5 brothers. Okay. So it's like from Hindu, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Story.
Wow, this is
Arjun,
amazing.
Bhim, Yudhishthira, Nakul, Sahadev. They are 5 brothers, and they are cheated by their step brothers.
Yeah.
So that's why they have a empire. So
100 brothers.
100 brother?
yes,
Yeah, 100 brothers.
this is step brothers. 5 Pandavas. is step
Cousin, yeah?
brothers.
This is a
Pandawa.
cousin. What is with the cousin?
And what they did, they cheated on the emperor and they gave them forest living.
Oh,
Waterfall भी Banwas in English.
Pandawa. Nice story.
It's true story in Mahabharata.